How to change nickname on Candy Crush Soda Saga. If you want to change your name in Candy Crush Soda Saga but not sure how, then don't worry, I have got you covered. So first you need to launch Candy Crush Soda Saga app and make sure that you have created an account or signed into your account. If you have already an account, you will see My Account, or you can proceed to the gear icon at bottom left corner and choose My Account option. After that, you will reach on this page where you see the edit button, select that. And now you will reach on edit account setting page where you can see your nickname. So to change this, you can tap on it and then change to another one. Once you're done with that, tap on save changes button. And with that, you have successfully changed your nickname on Candy Crush Soda Saga. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.